Hello everyone, Mr. Price here again with your writing lesson for the day. So we have been working on our cause and effect Google Slides presentations. It's wrong. Yesterday, you guys completed your title slide and you wrote that set the scene slide where you described what experiencing this disaster would have been like from the perspective of someone experiencing it. Today, you're going to give an introductory overview of the specific natural disaster that you're writing about, in this case, Hurricane Katrina. And that's just explaining what happened. Keep in mind, you're not getting into the effects of that yet. Those are going to be slides that come later in your creation. Right now, you are just simply stating the facts. And then on the second slide that you're doing today, the explanation of the natural disaster, is where you're going to be just explaining what that general sort of thing is. In the case of the example that I'm doing for you, the Japanese earthquake and tsunami, I will have a slide that is explaining what an earthquake is or what a tsunami is. And I've got those examples ready to go, so we're going to go ahead and look at the introductory overview of the specific natural disaster first. And notice that I didn't title it that. I just titled it The Great Sendai Earthquake and Resulting Tsunamis. And it reads, on March 11th, 2011, at 2:46 p.m., a powerful earthquake occurred near the northeastern coast of Honshu, the main island of Japan. This earthquake caused devastating damage on the mainland. The worst hit area was the Tohoku region in northeastern Honshu. According to Encyclopedia Britannica, the epicenter was 80 miles east of the city of Sendai, and the focus was 18.6 miles below the floor of the western Pacific Ocean. Tremors could be felt as far away as parts of Russia. Then, Japan was hit with large tsunami waves that overwhelmed and further devastated the coastal towns and cities. Please notice that I didn't talk about the damage specifically that the earthquakes or the tsunamis cause. This was just a list of facts as they happened. On my next slide, which is that explanation of the natural disaster, you see that it's titled, What are earthquakes and tsunamis? An earthquake is a quite sudden shaking of the earth. At times, this can lead to destruction. I need to change that to the destruction. Oops. To the destruction of things on the Earth's surface. This is a result of things happening at the volcanic level of the Earth or a shifting of the Earth's crust. Tsunamis are massive waves and happen as a result of earthquakes occurring under or near large bodies of water, typically oceans. A common pseudonym for a tsunami is a tidal wave. However, this name has been discontinued in the scientific community because the tide has nothing to do with the cause of a tsunami. Tsunamis can be incredibly destructive to cities or structures that are on or near oceanic coasts. So, basically, you guys, what you need to know to do with this is to just give that definition of what the natural occurrence is, but you need to make sure that you're doing it in your own words. What I did was search the word earthquake, and I searched earthquake definition and tsunami definition, and I looked at what experts had written, and then I took bits and pieces of that and changed out some of the words, and I made it my own. And that's what I recommend for you as well. I would Google hurricane definition, and then I would reword it by changing out words with synonyms. I'll just show you an example. a sudden and violent shaking in the ground, sometimes causing great destruction as a result of movements within the Earth's crust or volcanic action. And then when we take a look back at what I wrote, earthquake is a quite sudden shaking of the Earth. This is a sudden and violent shaking of the ground, so I changed the word ground into earth and changed just the beginning of that sentence as well, sometimes causing great destruction. I said this can lead to the destruction of things on the Earth's surface, because if in the definition it's saying that it's sometimes causing great destruction, then it would also be true that this can lead to the destruction of things on Earth's surface. Then it says, as a result of movements within the Earth's crust or volcanic action. And I said, this is a result of things happening at the volcanic level of the Earth or shifting of the Earth's crust. So I took those same ideas and I just altered them and made the definition my own. That's what you need to do with the definition of a hurricane. Anyways, that's all that I have for you guys today. I hope that your projects are going well. If you need assistance with them, please stop by office hours. I'd love to work with you. And I know Miss Lynch would as well. Hope you all have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.